What's going on, everybody? Good morning. It's Sunday morning, guys. I got my coffee. Today's video is going to be friend mail, guys. I'm going to talk about some friend mail that I got. Thank you to all my friends out there that have sent me something, a little something. If you have a sticker or something small that you want to send me, please reach out to me on my social medias. I'm on Twitter, Philly_Orlando. I'm on Instagram, Philly Orlando, all one word, guys. You can reach out to me on there. I will give you my address, and then I will be sending you guys out something as well when I decide what I want to send out, guys. So, yeah, how's everybody doing out here today? It's a beautiful Sunday morning, guys. So, to get started, guys, just want to say thank you to all my friends that have been so supportive, guys, that have been coming in the live stream, hanging out in the chat. We have Kevin from Tuber Chat here already, got in here early before we got started. Word up, Kevin. We got Painting with Squirrels is here. What's up, girl? Glitter bombs, glitter bombs. We got Michael's Adventures, and thank you, Kevin, for sharing me out on Reddit, guys. If you have the ability to share me out, that would be fantastic, guys. Thank you so much. So the first friend mail I got from a YouTube friend was from Heather from Lady Spellbreaker channel. She did a contest and for her members. I am a member over at her channel, okay? And she did a contest for a bracelet, and actually I didn't win. Jen's Aura won the contest, but she was so kind to say, please give the prize to Nora. So she won, but she decided to gift me the bracelet. There was a bracelet and it was a book that went along with it. I told Heather to re-gift the book. Um, but here's the bracelet that she sent me. She made this herself, and it's awesome, and I love it. It looks awesome in the sunlight. It catches all the stones that she's got on here. It's got the volcanic beads, and she sent me a scented lemon oil that you can put on the beads, so that you can put different scented oils on the beads. The beads are volcanic rock. So it was a very nice gesture for her to send that out to me. So thank you, Heather. That was the first piece of friend mail that I got from a YouTube friend, guys. And the best part about being on YouTube is the friends that we have made on the journey, right? I know a lot of us get caught up in trying to get more subscribers, more watch hours, get those numbers. You get real focused on the numbers. But honestly, my favorite part of the journey is the friendships that I am making along the way. Welcome in, K-Lastic. Welcome in, Scratch and Pete. Thank you so much, Scratch and Pete. So yeah, so she sent this out with the and a little, and she always sends a card when she sends something out, and it was a very nice little card that she sent. Very nice, Heather. So thank you so much. Hopefully she will pop in chat and you guys can go ahead and connect with Lady Spellbreaker. I frequently tune into her live streams in the evening and sometimes in the afternoon. It's sort of my escape from the streets of YouTube, right, guys? It really is. It kind of brings me back, centers me back up with, being calm and appreciating what we have, right, guys? Can't always be out here running the streets of YouTube. Sometimes you got to take some me time, do a little self-care, right? So that just kind of she kind of reels everybody back in, right? So yeah, it's a very nice channel to be a part of, and I give her a huge shout out. Thank you, Pete. You're always super supportive, my friend. Always out here. Welcome in again, K-Lastic TV. I think this is the first time you've been here, so thank you so much. Guys, the second piece of friend mail I got was this shirt is from Brainstorm Challenges. Now, guys, out of his generosity, he sent me a shirt from the channel. I had been asking him for months to send me a t-shirt if he can. I was going to even buy it, but he sent it to me. All on his own. He didn't charge me for the shirt. So I told him I'd give him a big shout out. Of course, Brainstorm Challenges. He does a lot of challenges and a lot of live streams. A lot of fun over there on that channel. You want to check him out. Brainstorm Challenges. He finally sent me, and he wears his own t-shirt a lot. You'll see on his channel, he will be wearing the very same shirt that he sent me. So thank you. So that is the second piece of friend mail that I got from a YouTube friend. You guys have all been amazing, guys. But what I wanted to do is open the third piece of friend mail that I got over the weekend, guys, which was from Garden State Gardener. I won't show off our addresses. I'll show you the back of the envelope, but I did get the seeds from Garden State Gardener. As you guys may or may not know, I have a second channel called Tropical Buzz where I talk about plants and tropical plants and gardening and how to grow down here in Florida and plant collecting. It's a variety of different topics, but I always try to go over to Joe's channel when he's doing his Sunday Fun Day, and he also does Pierogi Wednesdays, and he does some videos on Mondays as well. He's been very busy, and he does a lot of seed giveaways. If any of you guys are garden bugs like me, um, you like to get seeds from different people. Sometimes they can find some seeds or some different things that you may not be able to find in your area. So it's always nice to either trade seeds or swap seeds or send them out to a friend, right? And it's a real simple thing to send. You see it fits right in an envelope here. So what I wanted to do is open this live and give his channel a shout out. His channel is called Garden State Gardener. A few of you guys are already friends with him, so you know exactly who I mean. His name is Joe, and I'm going to open it right now, guys. So just give me a second. It feels like a pretty full envelope, so it feels like he may have sent more than one thing in here. So let's see what I got. Let's check it out. All right. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Got some seed packets. Let's see. There we go. Congratulations from the Garden State Gardener. Awesome. And you have to register to get entered on the wheel. He does a big wheel that he spins. You have to register and leave a comment in the registration videos. There's a separate registration video for every single giveaway, guys. So don't forget to register if you'd like to win some seeds. And what he sent me was some awesome red Peter peppers. So he sent me a packet of red Peter peppers. He's doing what he's calling the Peter Pepper Challenge. Um, so I'm going to plant these, and I'm going to take a video of when I plant these, and I'm going to film it on my Tropical Buzz channel because my poor little gardening channel has not gotten a new video in quite a while. It hasn't gotten a lot of love. So welcome in, Yanang Abigail. So I want to do that, and Kevin from Tuber Chat had suggested to do that on that channel, so I will. I'll go out there, I'll get some soil, and we'll get these Peter pepper seeds planted up, guys, and we'll see how they do down here in Florida, okay? These are very unique peppers. If you look them up, you'll see they're very unique peppers, and the challenge is to see who can grow the longest Peter pepper. So yeah, I'm silly. I like to have fun, so I want to try to get a couple big peppers out of it and see if I could win the challenge, guys, right? And he has also sent me some Baker Creek heirloom zucchini Ford Hook zucchini seeds. So there's another challenge: who can grow the longest zucchini, guys. So yeah, so he sent me some zucchini squash seeds. They have to be the specific variety, and also with the Peter peppers, they have to be the specific variety. That way, everybody that's doing the challenge is using the same seeds. Nobody's going to have an advantage, right? So yeah, this is awesome. I mean, I can't even believe how many seeds and different things he gives away on the Sunday Fun Day. It's wild because it's just one giveaway after another, after another, after another. I don't know how he gets the time to do it all, but he does get a lot of generous support. So it all works out. Um, a lot of people on YouTube, they don't really have a whole lot to give, but they're still out here giving. And it doesn't always have to be a tangible thing. It could just be your time in somebody's live stream, like you're here right now helping to support me. It could be hitting that like button, could be subscribing, could be sharing somebody on your community tab, right, guys? So we're all doing our part. Shout out to everybody. Sorry if I missed anybody in the chat. Hey, Jaden, what's going on? Thank you, Jaden. We got Jessica Dumpsters Girls. Thank you, Jessica. I just watched one of your videos. You were out there singing happy birthday to Joy, I believe. So yeah, good stuff. Always cool to see Jessica out and about. I see her out and about quite frequently as well. We got Joe Awesome in the house. What's going on, Joe Awesome? Another friend that I like to run into. He likes to do some singing, some videos, and some nature scenery, and he does a lot of beautiful videos there. I always see him over on Heather's channel as well. So yeah, Joe Awesome has a cool channel. Check him out, guys. So yeah, now it's on me. I gotta get out there and get these seeds planted and see what I can do, guys. See what I can do. And I will film that again over on my other channel, which is called Tropical Buzz. It's got less than 100 subs. I'm not really trying to grow it. I just sort of started that for fun. And but since it's these sort of things are more in that niche, it would be better if I film those over there for the plant nerds out there that like to look at the plant stuff, right? So yeah, so how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Guys, I haven't been doing a massive amount of trading or investing lately, just because all the war stuff is really messing up the stock market. It's a lot of stuff's really taken a turn for the worse, and it's real hard to really decide to go all in on something. They say the trend is your friend, and when things are trending down, it just doesn't make sense to jump in as something's going down. So I'm sort of waiting for a a turnaround, so to speak, on a lot of the high growth stocks that I like. What did I buy? I think I bought another share of CRISPR on Friday because I always love to try to add to that position. Um, and a couple other things, but it wasn't much. It was just like a couple shares here and there, because things are just at such a deep discount right now. It's hard not to jump in on some of these. But yeah, how are you feeling about silver and gold? Well, Kevin, my friend Gianna that comes on here a lot, she is recommended gold. So I would say yeah, that may be a good thing to get into when the market is sort of like the way it is right now, and there's a lot of fear. There's something called the fear index, the greed and fear index, and right now we are in extreme fear mode. And what people do when we get into extreme fear mode is, well, they sort of gravitate to things like gold and silver, real tangible sort of things, because out of fear, right? Because gold is an actual tangible asset, right? Um, as we see some of, like, you see what happened to the Russian stock market and the value of the ruble, right? So at least if you have gold, you can sort of hedge against those losses with gold and silver. So I would say that would be a pretty safe bet to do that. That has been recommended by Gianna, and of course she's always buying crypto. I do like crypto. I do like Dogecoin. I do like Ethereum very much, and I like Bitcoin. But I realize they're very expensive, and I realize that they're very volatile. So the way I would do those are just dollar cost average into them, buy a little bit each month, a reasonable amount that is affordable for you. And when you get it, don't touch it. Don't get tempted to trade it or buy and sell, because then you just, just accumulate it. But don't let it be too big of a percentage of your overall total portfolio or your total assets, because we still kind of don't know what's going on. Are we, are we heading for World War III? We don't know. We don't know what's going on, right, guys? So it may go much, much, much lower. And of course, you want to try to buy the bottom, although no one ever knows when or what that will be, right? But what do you think will happen to the Russian currency? I think it's going to keep going down. Um, these big companies like McDonald's, Coca-Cola, I can't even name them all. Many, many, many companies, some, I think Nike, different big companies are pulling out of Russia right now. So I don't think people are going to really be putting a lot of faith into it. I think it's going to continue to go down. I think a lot of that money did end up in crypto. Um, but you can always use crypto to buy other things, such as gold or whatever, right? So we did see a spike in crypto, and then all of a sudden it sort of went back down again because, as you know, you can spend the crypto. You can use the crypto to buy other things, and I'm sure it has changed hands many, many, many times, which is what we wanted to do. We want to use it as currency, but we don't really see crypto kind of skyrocketing since all of this happened. So obviously, people are buying and selling it as well. So I would say just buy a little bit at a time. Don't be afraid to, and then just hang on to it for the long term. What is the long term? Well, that long term is something different for everybody. For one person, long term may be a year. To another person, long term could be 5 years. My personal opinion is long term would be at least, I would say at least 3 to 5 years would be my definition of long term, or you can hold it even longer. And I think you'll be fine. We'll be past this. Hopefully, this war situation will have itself resolved, and you'll be glad that you slowly accumulated yourself some crypto or whatever your favorite stock is for that matter. Welcome in, Lori's Tech Time. Welcome in, welcome in. Hey, Ranger, thank you so much, Ranger, for coming in, Ranger. I hope I didn't miss anybody. Shout out to Mysterious Granny. She came in the last time I was live and she said I missed her comment, and I did not mean to do that. So, big shout out to Mysterious Granny. I did not mean to miss your comment, and I don't know how I missed her comment because I wanted her to come on here. She's a sweetheart, and I wanted to give her channel a shout out. I'm looking through the chat. I don't believe she's in here right now, but big shout because she was in my last live stream. So I wanted to say thank you to Mysterious Granny. If you are not subscribe to her. She's really cool, guys. Go give her some love over there. Welcome in, Arsh. So yeah, what's everybody? Is anybody in here buying stocks? And if you are, what are you buying? Are you buying crypto? If so, what are you buying? Um, I always thought like anything under 15 cents for Dogecoin is a buying opportunity. I do think Elon Musk is going to do something with it that we're not expecting, and I think it will be good to have some. There is a reason that is one of his choices of crypto, and of course I'm a fan, so I'm a bit biased, but I do think they are trying to do something really great with it. Of course they have the Doge 1 rocket that they'll be launching, and that will be a huge catalyst, but aside from that, I think he is trying to get into gaming. um, to have gaming a gaming part of the Tesla package, and making that sort of something that he's getting more and more involved in. And I think he may use the Dogecoin as some sort of gaming token, but that is just purely speculation. Don't count on that, but if that ends up being a fact, I could see it being wildly popular and going up very much in price if he is indeed getting into the gaming realm, which would be very awesome if he was. That would be great. Welcome in, Bariotic Boy. Thank you so much, guys. So, anybody have some birthdays or any news or announcements? Please let me know in the chat. Uh, I'll be happy to give you a shout out, guys. Shout out to Bariotic Boy. I know it's the evening time over there in the Philippines. Appreciate you joining me. He does a morning grow stream in his country, and he is very sweet. So thank you, Bariotic Boy, for coming by. He's always over here visiting me. I appreciate you. So Tuber Chat had a great stream yesterday. I believe he's having another one today. I'm not sure what the time is. I will try to be there to hang out with everybody. If you haven't connected with Tuber Chat, make sure you connect with Tuber Chat. He will help you network, and you're going to meet the most supportive people on YouTube by connecting with Tuber Chat. And as I said before, there's a few different grow shows that I enjoy and that I go to. Everybody's kind of good at their own thing. But Tuber Chat is one of my favorites, of course, because many of his subscribers come to my live streams and are very supportive of me. So it's hard not to give him a shout out because it's just a great group of people that head over there. So I appreciate you, Kevin, for all of your kind words and stuff when I'm on your show. Yeah, it is. And the thing is he's consistent. If he says he's going to be on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, he will be on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I was debating whether I should come on today, but I wanted to open this stuff. I wanted to open Joe's letter live. Thank you again, Joe, for sending me the seeds. And I always seem to find something to talk to you guys about. And I'm sorry that the stock market is not really making a lot of people a ton of money right now. Now, you can make money in the stock market by betting against stocks or shorting stocks, but I advise people against that because then it starts to become something more akin to gambling, and I definitely don't like to gamble. Uh, I do like to take risks from time to time, but what we do is we manage our risk. It's called risk management. And if you don't manage your risk well, then you're getting sort of close to what they call gambling. Okay, so I don't like to bet against stocks because sometimes you end up being very, very wrong. A news blast will come out, and that is all it takes, or a tweet from Elon Musk, for example, and the stock will fly up. And if you just bet against it, well, you just lost all your money. So I try not to uh, too often to bet against stocks. What I like to do is swing trade, which is buying a certain amount of shares and holding it for a period of time, whether it be a week or a month or 3 months, and then cashing it out. Of course, when it's profitable. If it's not, you would continue to hold it. Uh, that strategy, you don't really lose until you sell. The worst thing is you kind of get stuck, so to speak, with the shares, but you did not lose all your money like you would, say, playing options, which where you can lose all your money. So you want to manage that risk. In the Capitalist Academy, we say don't risk more than 2% of your entire portfolio on one trade, which a lot of times we go way above that, guys. We go way, way, way more risky than we should go. If you actually do the math, 2% is a very small trade. And so to do a significant trade, you would have to have a significant amount of money to do these larger trades. Or if you do, well, then you're risking more than what you should risk, and of course, uh, the trade may not go your way, and then you can lose a lot of money. So yeah, always use proper risk management when you're making a trade. And I try to be pretty conservative as far as not going too far overboard with the risky stuff. Welcome in. Welcome in. I saw Jake Hudson come in. Thank you so much. Jake Hudson, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Thank you. If you guys could give me just 1 second for a break, I'll be right back. Give me one moment. You can connect in the chat. Sorry about that, guys. So, how's everybody doing? Like I said, if you guys want to send me something in friend mail, I'll get it and I'll give your channel a huge shout out. Guys, I'll send you my address. All you have to do is connect with me on Instagram or Twitter, and I can send you that information. Also, if you'd like to be on my Friday live, which is usually around 10, although I may have to change that. I did accept a new job this past week, guys. I will be leaving my current job. I did accept a brand new job. I'll tell you guys more about it. But I will be working in the mornings, so I may not be able to do the Friday live in the morning time, but I may be home in time to do Power Hour, which is the last hour before the market closes, from 3 to 4 o'clock. So, thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. Hey, welcome in, Frozen Fury, man. I was checking out a whole bunch of your videos last night, man. You were shredding on that guitar, man. You are a fantastic guitar player. Check out Frozen Fury, guys. Awesome channel, man. This guy is awesome. He's doing these covers, and your video editing is on point too, man. I was really impressed. I really did go through several of your guitar videos, and I was really enjoying them. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to seeing you over there at Tuber Chat and here. If you'd like to come on sometime, you're always welcome to come on as well. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Kristen. This is Kristen from Vermont Gardening Adventures. If you're just catching the live, I got some Peter peppers from Joe from Garden State Gardener, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see how I do with these. If I could get them to full size, and then see if I could grow a couple big old biggins. So yeah, that's the contest, and I think there's like a hashtag Peter Pepper Challenge. I'll find out more about it on the Sunday Fun Day, um, and I will be videotaping myself planting the seeds because you're supposed to do 3 videos, one in the beginning, one in the middle, and of course at the end when you measure the biggest Peter Pepper. So yeah, thank you, Frozen Fury. I'm excited. As you know, I went to school um, for about 5 months, almost 6 months, and I found something in my field. So I'm excited to change careers and start a new journey. So yeah, a little nervous, guys, but that nervousness you have to turn that into excitement, and I am excited to actually that I got a chance to do this. So I will be telling you guys a little bit more about it once I get sort of settled in at the new job. Nice plant babies. Yeah, I saw that you're planting your pepper seeds indoors. It's still snow outside up there in Vermont, but she's planted her pepper seeds indoors. Big shout out to Yogi Hollow Farm too, and Scott from Rambling with the Brooms. They start their seeds indoors when you live somewhere cold. You get that jump start. You start them indoors, right? Um, so thank you, Lori. I appreciate it. Setting up for Tuber Chat. What time is Tuber Chat today, Kevin? What time is Tuber Chat? I better get these to grow, guys. If I fancy myself a green thumb, I can't embarrass myself. I gotta get at least a couple of these babies to full size, right? Peppers generally aren't hard to grow. Uh, they tend to be, for the most part, disease resistant. But when you live down here in Florida, absolutely everything and anything is out here trying to eat your plants, or there's a lot of fungal diseases because of all the rain. And there's a lot of bacterias and funguses and things that plants can catch, just like people. It's amazing. I did study it. Um, I do have my plant science certificate from the college, and that was a lot of fun taking all those classes. And we got to play in the greenhouse a bit. So I know a thing or three. I think I'll do pretty good. But nobody has an advantage because we all got the same species of plant of seeds, right? So it's what you do. I guess I can feed it. If anybody has some suggestions, uh, I don't like to use chemical Miracle Grow. I like to use organic uh, nutrients like well, I don't want to give away my secrets, but there are some organic things that you can add um, to your plants, especially to get the roots going. Joe says, "Gotta go. Sorry. Have a wonderful day." No problem, Joe. Thank you so much for hanging out. There's Miss Lady Spellbreaker. Welcome in, Lori. I welcomed everybody in. Thank you, Dimitri, for hanging out. Uh, Heather, I'm wearing your bracelet there. Heather sent me this from all the way from Illinois. She made this herself. Guys, check it out. She has one that is, I think she said, is pretty identical to this. And I didn't win the contest, but the person that did win gifted it to me. So shout out to Jen's Aura. She has a channel. Shout out to Jen. Jen's a lot of fun if she comes in your live stream. She makes me laugh. So thank you, Jen, for your generosity. That was so sweet of her to say, you know what, send that to Nora. So yeah, guys, eventually I'll find a knickknack down here that I want to send out to my subscribers, and I will remember everybody that has sent me something. So thank you so much, guys. But I just appreciate you being here, guys. I really do. I appreciate the thumbs up. I appreciate the time that you spend in the chat. So have a blessed night, Joe. Thank you. I was over at the Oracle reading channel. Sorry. Oh, no worries, no worries. I know that's your jam. It's a love bead diffuser bracelet. Okay, I wasn't sure what the exact name of it was. I know they're volcanic beads, and yeah, she did send me the lemon oil. It smells so good, guys. It's really nice. It's nice. Next month's drawing. Next month's drawing for participants is tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, guys, check that out. Guys, a membership to Lady Spellbreaker's channel is only 99 cents a month, guys, to be a member, and then you will get those member chances at those member giveaways. So it's well worth it, guys. It's well worth it. Just an example of another person that is giving back. A lot of people that are so generous out here do not have they're not rich, right, guys? They don't have a whole ton to give, but the little bit that they can, they still give, which is amazing, guys. And let's take a moment to pray for the people of the Ukraine, guys. As hard of a day as you're having, it's not as terrible as what they're going through. So prayers to those people. Genuine prayers out to those people. It makes me very sad to watch that news footage. Lady says, I'm always pulling the cards, so I like to have mine done sometimes too. Beautiful, Bruce. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, Kayla, this is nice. I kind of want another one, like maybe with a different color or something. She got me really liking this. And ironically, she made it the exact size that I needed. I didn't even tell her. And it fit perfect, so it was a nice gift. Be blessed always. Thank you, Joe. Have a fantastic day. It's not just for members, but people who show up and participate in healing themselves. It's my gift back to those who take the time and want to work on self. Because it's not easy or always fun, right, guys? Those things that you know you should do, but you're avoiding. That's what she means. It's not always easy or fun, but it is for your own best good, right, guys, to kind of think about something you can do for yourself today. Be kind to yourself, guys. Treat yourself well. Pray for the Ukraine and the whole world. Yeah. And the whole world. I'm sure a lot of people in Russia don't really want to see this. I mean, they really can't speak against it, because of the situation that they live in. But I'm sure a lot of people over there, they're suffering because of the sanctions, and they really had nothing to do with this decision to attack the Ukraine. Hey, Yarn Barf, welcome in, Yarn Barf. Hi, Nora. For some reason, I'm unable to join the live chat on my phone, so I'm using my laptop. Oh, that's really weird. Well, thanks for taking the time to switch over. I appreciate it. Lady got your YouTube channel. Okay, you're gonna check her out. Scratch and Pete saying hi, Yarn Barf. What's up, Yarny? Thank you for joining me. Thank you, thank you. Most people don't like to slow down. That's true. She's sort of always reminding us, like, hey, why are you out? Why are you guys out running the streets of YouTube so much, Chase, and take some time for yourself and do something kind for yourself. Thanks for hanging out, K-Lastic. I met you over on Tuber Chat. Lady saying hi to Scratch and Pete and saying thank you to K-Lastic. I'm wearing Brainstorm Challenges t-shirt that he sent me, which is awesome. Maybe if I get bigger, I will get some t-shirts made up, and of course I'll send those out in a giveaway. I'd send a couple of them out to you guys as a big thank you. That's so weird, Yarnbar. I wonder if it's StreamYard, because a lot of times when I invite Leroy from 40 and Broke on, he says that he can't get in. So I wonder if it's a StreamYard thing for some reason, right? But thanks for keeping on. Thanks for being persistent and keeping trying. Yes, she said, just relax and take time and take care of yourself, please, and thank you. Yep, a great reminder, guys. A great reminder. No worries, Lady Spellbreaker. I'm gonna probably wrap this up, guys, because yeah, I showed off the friend mail, and again, if you would like to connect with me on Instagram or Twitter, Philly_Orlando on Twitter. I retweet people's tweets out, so if you're a small YouTuber, definitely connect with me on Twitter. And then if you'd like to see my Instagram, it's Philly Orlando, all one word. And of course, you can message me on both of those apps. Ask for my address or share something special that you want me to announce on my channel, and I'll be happy to do that. If you'd like to come on, send me your email address, and I will send you the StreamYard link, and you can come on live with me. Hopefully on Fridays you can come on live when I do a panel. Oh, your name is Gia. Okay. All right, Gia. Cool, cool. Tuber chat saying hello. Yarny saying hello. Yarnbarf has a channel, guys. If you like crafts, if you like crochet, that's her jam. There's a huge crocheting community out there, which I didn't know. Huge. And they're pretty cool. Pretty cool gals. If you like to do crafts and that sort of thing, or you want to see what she's making and go support her, um, go over to her channel and check her out, and you can find out what a yarn barf is. It's in the description of her channel name. If you are wondering why she calls her channel yarn barf, it explains that. And I was watching your friend, that the trucker friend you have that has the dog named Dooley. She was live just a moment ago, and I like to get on and chat with her. She chats with everybody while she's driving across the country in her truck with her dog. And she has a lot of subscribers, and she's pretty popular. The chat was going pretty well. Um, so I was in there saying hello to her puppy. She has a cattle dog too, named Dooley. Freedom's a cattle dog mix of some sort. Um, she's a little energetic, curious little high energy thing. Always getting into something. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end it up. Tuber chat, I will see you over on your live stream. Guys, thank you so much for coming out to support. Make sure you help your girl out. Smash a like if you wouldn't mind on the way out. And I hope I will see you guys soon. I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Thank you for tuning